Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device. Back up any local files and make sure battery is above 50%. Once done, power off the Chromebook and enter recovery mode, usually ESC plus refresh plus power or a dedicated recovery key combination for your model. If your device has a recovery switch, use it now. You do this so the firmware prompt appears cleanly. Make sure you know your model. Some firmwares behave differently, so identify that before proceeding to the next step. You'll be at a white recovery screen where you press Ctrl+D to begin enabling developer mode. When prompted, confirm the action. Chrome OS will warn you that OS verification is off. That process involves a factory transition that can take between 10 and 20 minutes, so be patient. Make sure you do not interrupt power, close the lid, or disconnect any power source, because an interrupted transition can leave the device in a non-bootable state. Once the transition finishes, the device on first boot after the transition, you will see the OS verification screen. Press Ctrl+D to continue into developer mode and complete setup. Once inside, enable features you need, for example, SSH, cross-shell access, or legacy boot, but proceed cautiously, since these increase attack surface and risk. If you choose to modify firmware or install alternative systems, double-check compatibility. If something goes wrong, device won't boot or is stuck. Create a recovery USB on another computer and restore back to verified Chrome OS to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.